Good morning, students. I am Vishwas Sir, and today we are going to study the first chapter of Class 8 Science, that is Crop Production and Management. This chapter helps us understand how food produced on a large scale and what farmers do to ensure that sufficient food reaches our homes. Before we begin, let us think about a simple question. Where does our food comes from? Most of our food comes from plants. Rice, wheat, maize, fruits, and vegetables are all obtained from plants. Plants also provide food products such as milk, eggs, meat, and honey. As the human population increases, the demand of food also increases. Therefore, scientific methods of agriculture are necessary to produce enough food for everyone. What is a crop? Now we will discuss regarding crop. What is crop? When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, they are called a crop. Examples. First, a field full of wheat plants is a wheat crop. Second, a field full of rice plants is a rice crop. Different crops require different climatic conditions and growing seasons. Now we will discuss regarding types of crops. In India, crops are mainly classified into two categories. First is Kharif crops. These crops are grown during the rainy season. Example, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton, etc. These are generally shown from June to September. Now second variety is Rabi crop. These crops are grown during the winter season. Examples, wheat, gram, pea, mustard, and linseed, etc. These are generally cultivated from October to March. Now we will discuss regarding agricultural practices. This topic is agricultural practices. Farmers follow a sequence of activities to grow crops successfully. These activities are called agricultural practices. The major agricultural practices are: first, preparation of soil; second, sowing; third, adding manure and fertilizers; fourth, irrigation; fifth, protection from weeds; sixth is harvesting; seventh is storage. Now let us discuss each step in details. First, preparation of soil. First step in farming is the preparation of soil. The soil is loosened and churned before sowing seeds. Why soil prepared? This is the question. It allows roots to penetrate deeply. Second point is it improves aeration. It helps earthworms and microorganisms grow in the soil. That is the fourth point, it increases soil fertility. Now we will discuss agricultural implements. Which implements are used in preparation of soils and other activities? They are called as agricultural implements. Farmers use various tools for soil preparation. First, plow, hoe, cultivators. Modern tractors are often used with cultivators to save time and labor. Second step is sowing. After preparing the soil, seeds are sown. Good quality seeds are essential for health crop production. Characteristics of good seeds. First, clean and healthy. Second, disease free. Third, high germination rate. Now we will discuss seed drill. What is seed drill? A seed drill is a modern machine used to sowing seeds. Advantages. We will discuss the advantages of seed drills. First advantage is uniform distribution of seeds. Second is proper depth. Third is saves time and labor. Fourth is to protect seeds from birds. Third stage is adding manure and fertilizers. Plants require nutrients for healthy growth. The major nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and natural nutrients is manure. We will discuss what is manure. Manure is a natural substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal wastes. Advantages. We will discuss the advantages. Improve soil texture, increase water holding capacity. Third is environment friendly. These are the three advantages of the manure. Now we will discuss regarding fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemical substances rich in specific nutrients. Example, urea, ammonium sulfate. Third is superphosphate. Advantages of the fertilizers. First advantage is quick nutrient supply. Second is increased crop yield. However, excessive use of fertilizers can harm soil and water resources. Fourth step is irrigation. Supply of water to crops at regular interval is called irrigation. What is essentiality of the irrigation? Here we will discuss. The water is essential because seeds need moisture for germination. Second is nutrients dissolve in water. Third, plants require water for photosynthesis. Now we will discuss regarding the sources of irrigation. What are the sources of irrigation?
Traditional sources are river, canal, well, tube well, tank, etc.
Discuss here the traditional methods of the irrigation. First is moat, chain pump, dhekuli, and rahat. Modern methods of irrigation. A sprinkler system. This is modern methods of the irrigation in which water is sprayed like rain over the field.
Now we discuss here the advantages of sprinkler system.
First, in sandy soil and uneven land, this method is very useful. And one methods of irrigation is drip methods. That is called drip irrigation. Water is supplied directly to the roots, drop to drop, to save the water. Where there is a scarcity of the water, this method is utilized. Now we will discuss regarding advantages of the drip irrigation. First advantage is saves water, prevents wastage of water. Third is highly efficient. Now fifth step is protection from weeds. What are weeds? Weeds, undesirable plants growing among crops are called weeds. Example, Gentium, Parthenium. Harmful effect of the weeds. The first harmful effect or disadvantages of the weeds is compete with the plants, crop for nutrients. Second is compete for sunlight and reduce crop yield. And here we will discuss regarding weeding. What is weeding? Actually, by these methods, the weeds are removed. So in concise, we can define the weedings. The removal of weeds is called weeding. Methods of weeding: first method is manual removal, second is tilling, third is weedicides. Weedicides are the chemical substances which are utilized, which are used to kill the weeds. Now common weedicides are 2,4-D and similar selective weed control chemicals. Now farmers spray weedicides carefully to avoid damage to crop because they are chemical, harmful, so they can harm plant also side by side. Now sixth step is harvesting. We will define harvesting. The cutting and gathering of mature crops is called harvesting. Harvesting can be done by manual methods, by using sickles. Mechanical methods are by using a combine harvester. And now we will discuss regarding threshing. What is threshing? The process of separating grains from harvested stalks is called threshing. Now we will discuss one term, that is winnowing. What is winnowing? The process of separating lighter chaff from heavier grains using wind. This is called winnowing. Now, the seventh step of agriculture is storage. Storage is very essential step. After harvesting, grains must be stored properly. Poor storage can result in losses due to moisture, insects, rodents, fungi, etc. Storage structures. First, granaries, silos, and warehouses. These are the storage for safe storage of grains. Now we will discuss one point regarding storage. The proper drying before storage helps prevent spoilage. Before storage, the grain should be properly dried, because if there is moisture in the grains, after storage they can spoil. Now we will discuss regarding food from animal. Certain foods are obtained from the animal. Beside crops, the farmers also obtain food from animal. Example, dairy farming. This farming provides milk and milk products to the farmers. Second is poultry farming. Poultry farming in a rearing of hens to get eggs is called poultry farming. This farming provides eggs and meat to the farmers, to the cultivators. And now we will discuss regarding fisheries. Fisheries is जो है कि also subsidiary part of the farming, rearing of fishes is called fisheries. It provides fish as foods. Now we'll discuss one term that is very essential in terms. You should know apiculture. What is apiculture? The rearing of honeybees for getting honey is called apiculture. So these activities are important part of agriculture. Now we will discuss the overall summary which we have already discussed here. First, let us quickly revise. First point, a crop is a large scale cultivation of same type of plant. Second, crops are mainly classified as Kharif and Rabi. Third, agricultural practices include soil preparation, sowing, manuring, irrigation, weedings, harvesting and storage. Manures improve soil naturally, while fertilizers provide nutrients quickly, but they are harmful in long run. And one point, irrigation supplies waters to crops. Now we have already discussed regarding weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants that must be removed from the plant so that they do not compete with the actual crop plants. Harvesting, threshing and storage are essential after crop maturity. Last point is animals also contribute significant food products to the farmer, to the cultivators. This is overall discussion on this chapter. Thank you, students. If you like my video, you share it and like it, and also subscribe my channels so that you can go through the another important informations on the other subject. Thank you very much. In our next class, we will discuss important NCERT questions and examination oriented concepts from this chapter. So you are required to attend that class. You are required to go through that video which are available in my channel. Thank you very much.